In this video, I'll show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. If you want Grammarly to work while you type in Google Docs, the main thing to know is that Grammarly officially supports Google Docs through its browser extension, not through a built-in Google Docs feature from Google itself. Grammarly's support page says you can use Grammarly in Google Docs by installing the Grammarly browser extension for Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. So the first step is to install the Grammarly browser extension on your computer. Grammarly's install guide says you open your browser's extension store, install the Grammarly extension, and then sign in to your Grammarly account. In Chrome, for example, Grammarly says to open the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome to start the installation. After that, open Google Docs in the same browser where you installed the extension, then open the document you want to edit. Once Grammarly is active and you're signed in, it should begin checking your writing directly inside the document. Grammarly's browser extension guide says the extension works whenever you write online, and Grammarly's Google Docs support page confirms that Docs is one of the supported places. If Grammarly does not appear right away, refresh the Google Docs page and try typing a sentence with an obvious spelling or grammar issue. In some cases, signing out and back in, or making sure the extension is enabled in your browser, can help. Grammarly also has a troubleshooting page specifically for cases where Grammarly underlines do not show up in Google Docs, and one of its suggested fixes is reinstalling the extension. Now, this is where some people get confused. Google Docs also has an add-on system inside the extensions menu, and Google's official help explains how to install those add-ons from the Google Workspace marketplace. But Grammarly's own support page for Google Docs points users to the browser extension instead, so the normal Grammarly setup for Docs is not the same as installing a Docs add-on. Another helpful option is Grammarly's web editor. Grammarly's Getting Started page says you can also use the Grammarly editor directly in your browser without installing anything else. So if you ever have trouble getting Grammarly to appear inside Google Docs, you can still paste your text into Grammarly's editor, make your edits there, and then copy the improved version back into Docs. If you're using a managed school or work computer, there's one more thing to keep in mind. Grammarly has an admin deployment guide showing that organizations can deploy Grammarly for Chrome through Google admin settings, which means some users may need their administrator to allow or install the extension first. So the simple process is this: install the Grammarly browser extension, sign in to your Grammarly account, open Google Docs in that same browser, and start typing. Once the extension is active, Grammarly should begin showing suggestions directly inside your document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.